Hi, my name's Cody Cummings. I'm the service manager at Parker Toyota. We know that your first service visit can be a bit overwhelming, so we thought it'd be a good idea to walk you through where to park at your next visit. For any express maintenance appointments, which include Toyota Care, oil changes, tire repairs, or any basic maintenance needs, you'll want to just pull to the parking spots assigned to the right side of the garage door. From there, you'll be checked in from a greeter and we'll walk you into our express maintenance advisors just inside the door. If you're here for any extensive work or warranty repair work, you'll want to park in the main service entry lot. From there, you'll want to head inside to the left of the garage doors and check in with our assistant service managers who will be able to get you started. While your vehicle is in our care, you can take advantage of our complimentary shuttle service or relax in our waiting area. When your vehicle is complete, a member of our team will review everything with you and your vehicle will be ready outside.
Hello, Mr. Cummings. We're all done with your service, sir. You're on your multi-point safety check. Everything is looking good.
We hope this tour makes your visit easy and stress-free. Thank you for choosing Parker Toyota.